Hello Mushkins, and in this video I'll be showing off all of the slimes in our newest themed restock. And this themed restock is all about artistically made cocktails, and this themed restock was actually suggested to us by one of our Mushkins on Instagram. And as soon as she gave us the suggestion, I was so excited to come up with all of these new beautiful slimes. And just before I start this video, I just want to clarify that this video in no shape or form promotes the use of alcohol. We were just inspired by artistically made cocktails. This first slime is called Bubblegum Fizz, and it is a layered clear and jelly slime with blue clear slime at the bottom and a light pink jelly slime on top of that. And then it gets topped with these beautiful little heart-shaped sprinkles as well as little heart-shaped glitters. And the end color of this slime is also so pretty, and the slime is scented like bubblegum, of course. And throughout this whole video I'll flash pictures of the different cocktails that inspired all of these slimes, and the picture credits are in the description of this video. And if you would like to learn more about these slimes, make sure to click the link in the description of this video, and it'll take you directly to our website where you will see pricing and other details. Next up, we have this beautiful swirled green jelly slime, and this one is called Cucumber Lemonade, and it is scented with our refreshing lemonade fragrance oil. And the slime gets topped with a tiny sprinkle of lemon fimo slices as well as a few clear fishbowl beads to represent ice cubes. Next, we have this really cute little mini DIY assembly kit, and this one is called Cotton Candy Fizz. And you get a 250ml layered slime with red jelly slime at the bottom topped with pink icing slime, and then that icing slime gets topped with a few of these white shredded glitters just to give that icy effect. And then the slime also comes with a 50ml pink cloud slime that you can drizzle on the top to represent the cotton candy. And then the slime also comes with a little charm that looks like a straw, and this entire kit is scented like cotton candy. It smells so delicious. This next slime is called Strawberry Cocktail, and this is another layered slime with red clear slime at the bottom, topped with pink jelly slime on top. And then the slime comes with slushy beads as well as little whole strawberry Fimo slices. And the slime just looks so cute and delicious. And the slime is scented like strawberry candies. Next, we have a layered clay slime called Pink Peppermint, and this one is inspired by a pink peppermint cocktail. And this slime is scented like peppermint, and it is topped with beautiful shimmering glitter as well as red and white clay shavings. Next up, we have another layered slime called Sweet Poison, and this one is a layered slime with a blue clear slime at the bottom, topped with this bright blue teal type jelly slime, and it is also topped with the cutest little lemon Fimo slices, and the slime is scented like pineapple. And I think this was actually the first slime that I designed for this themed restock, because when I googled beautifully made cocktails on Google, this was one of the first pictures that popped up that I thought, oh my word, that could be a slime. And then, like all of our slimes, especially our jelly slimes, just after about 2 minutes of stretching and repeated playing, your slime can inflate to almost triple its size, which is a lot of fun because you can crack a lot of bubbles, and it's just a whole ASMR-filled experience. Next we have Galaxy Lemonade, and when I was doing my research for this restock, a picture of a Galaxy Lemonade cocktail popped up and I knew I had to make a slime inspired by it just because it's absolutely beautiful. So this is a jelly slime in shades of purple, blue and white, and then it gets topped with these cute little lemon Fimo slices, and this one is scented like raspberry, so it's a really sweet, strong, delicious scent. Next we have Mimosa, and this one is a jelly slime in shades of yellow and orange, and it gets topped with the cutest little grapefruit Fimo slices, and the slime is also scented with a blend of citrus type fragrance oils, so the slime is so refreshing. And I know a lot of the slimes in this restock are all jelly slimes or half jelly slimes, but I thought that jelly slime would just be the perfect type of slime to have dominating in this restock, just because jelly slimes are so juicy and refreshing. Next up we have Kiwi Watermelon Bramble, and this one is a jelly slime in shades of pink, white and red, and it gets topped with the cutest little watermelon and kiwi fruit Fimo slices, and it is scented like watermelon and kiwi fruits. Next we have pina colada, and this one is a layered slime with bright yellow icing slime at the bottom, topped with white clay slime on top, and then you get the cutest little Fimo slices on top as well, and a little cherry charm. And this one is scented like pineapple and coconut, so it's another super refreshing, delicious smelling slime. And then once you've mixed the slime together, you end up with the most amazing texture of slime. It's one of my favorite textures, the icing and clay slime combination. It is so soft and stretchy. It literally feels like a blanket. Next, we have a bright blue unscented clear slime called Blue Lagoon, and this one comes with a single little cherry charm as well as a sprinkle of clear fishbowl beads. And it is so pretty and satisfying to stretch this slime and to mix everything together. And then lastly, we have this beautiful pigmented clear slime called Galaxy Champagne. This slime is an unscented clear slime made with this beautiful pigment that shifts from purple to blue. And then the slime also gets topped with glow-in-the-dark star glitters. Then if you switch the lights off, you can see the beautiful shine of the glow-in-the-dark stars coming through, and it's absolutely mesmerizing to look at. It's one of my favorite things to add to slime. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing all of these new slimes forming part of our newest themed restock. We had so much fun designing all of these slimes, and if you are interested in buying any of them, please make sure to go and have a look at our website. There will be a direct link to our website in the description of this video, and we do ship worldwide, so if you are interested, make sure to go and have a look at our website and use code YouTube for 10% off your entire purchase.